or tails?
Heads.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Heads! Woo! I wonder how it's made.
We're specifically, and we're gonna tell you how.
Forging is a manufacturing process that induces plastic deformation to solid materials through compression on dies. As you can see here, the die is compressing a solid material into a specific shape. Forging can be done at both hot and cold temperatures. The advantages of cold forging are better strength, smoother surfaces, and a stronger material. Some disadvantages compared to hot forging include stronger and more expensive machines, a larger amount of work hardening, and the formation of residual stresses, which leads to an increase in post-processing.
There are two main types of forging, open and closed die. Open die forging is the simplest type, but has a large range when it comes to size. Products as small as pins, nuts, and bolts, and as large as parts for propeller shafts can be made with open die forging.
These parts are made when a metal workpiece is placed between two flat dies and then is reduced in height by compression. The main problem with open die is that it causes excess amounts of flash.
To reduce the excess metal that results from forging, closed die forging can be used. This type of forging is more expensive but makes more intricate products than open die. A specific type of closed die forging is impression die forging.
In this type, the die is shaped to control the flow of metal and the workpiece will take the shape of the die. Although closed die forging gives better surface finishes and more intricate details, it is more expensive and should only be used on large amounts of products.
This coin is made by forging.
This wrench was made by forging.
This wheel rim was made by forging.
This knife is made by forging.
This ring was forged.
Now that we know, play ball!